Hello there my quilty friends, Joy of Quilting here. I've had a busy morning. This is the third video I've made. They're all on threading your sewing machine. I've done one for threading the top, one for winding your bobbin, and this one is for putting your bobbin in. It's on a drop-in bobbin machine. This is my little Janome one, and please read your manufacturer's instructions. Even if it's a Janome, it might be slightly different. So you need to follow their instructions. I'm just sort of giving you a guide and showing you what I do for this machine. So my bobbin is a plastic one, and I have to hold it in this P position, okay, to put it in. That's how it drops in. Now the bobbin case shows you that. Can you see the P position and the way it goes around? I mean, that's my little cover there, which pops off with this lever for me to get my bobbin in and out. So I'm going to put the bobbin in the machine and you move it round that lever. Okay, once you've done that, then you can do needle down and needle up to pull your bobbin thread up. I like to pull my bobbin thread up before I start. So if you've got the needle down function, use that. So I'm going to use my needle down. So I'm holding now the needle thread with my finger and thumb here. So I'm going to do needle down. Oh, sorry, wrong button. Needle down, needle up. Okay, and that'll pull the thread up to the top. Okay, so I pull the thread up to the top of my work, put it all through to the back, and then I can put my little cover on. Best if I put it on the right way around. So I'll just show you that now using the hand wheel as well, in case you haven't got needle up, needle down. So if you don't have needle up, needle down, you can use the hand wheel to manually move the needle. The hand wheel is on the end of your machine. Let me just show you. There it is. And you only move this in the forward direction, okay? So moving this slowly forward, we're going to hold. There we go, let's put that back. So I'm going to hold the threads in my one hand, and you moving that wheel forwards towards me. I'm going to fetch that in, and that will bring the bobbin thread up to the top again. Okay. Now you can put all that to your back of your work and put your cover back on, and there you are, you're ready to go. Hope that helps. Check out my blog as well, Joy of Quilting. Bye.